If your Google Chrome runs very slowly on the new M1 Max, doesn't matter which Mac you have, watch this video because I found a quick, simple solution. And it doesn't really matter if it's M1 MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or even the new iMac with the Apple Silicon processor. Google Chrome should run very smoothly on this device, even with multiple tabs open. With that being said, that's not always the case, and it happened to me also. So I was looking on YouTube for solution, and a lot of these videos were telling me, close the extensions, close bunch of tabs. That's not really a solution, because the entire purpose of this Apple Silicon is to run really quick, and you should be able to handle all these different tasks. I use it usually for uploading videos, sometimes watching YouTube videos, but also getting some assets for YouTube videos, stock footage, and etc. But I know a lot of you are using Google Chrome for business pages, selling the products or whatever it might be. So definitely speed is important. And actually one of the best pros of M1 chips is to run the pages very quickly, since they build a similar way like iPhone chips and etc. So recently I just got this M1 MacBook Pro with 16 gigs of RAM. And the main purpose of that computer was to basically run Final Cut Pro, but of course I wanna browse the internet too. So I was really happy. I set up this M1 MacBook Pro with 1TB hard drive and was ready to start using it. So first I tested Final Cut Pro. It was running really smoothly. I started to do 1 or 2 tests comparing to my previous iMac. Obviously those videos are gonna come a little later. Then I opened Google Chrome, and to my surprise, it was actually very, very slow. It was even slower than my 2015 iMac 5K with Intel chip, which is 5-year-old chip. So I was kind of like, what's going on with this? There's something wrong with it. Then I started to do some research. I couldn't really find any good answer. So I started to dig all over the internet. And here is what I found out. And some of you will be surprised, but you might actually be running a wrong version of Chrome. And I know what you're thinking. You're saying, I just bought this MacBook Pro. How can I be running a wrong version of Chrome? See, the funny part is you actually can. Because when you set up the Apple computer originally, it allows you to switch all the data from the previous computer. And this is exactly what I did. Switch all the previous data from the previous iMac. It took a while though, but after some time it was said and done and I could use the new MacBook Pro. Even my Final Cut Pro was the same with all the projects that I have previously opened on the previous Mac. Everything was smooth. But here is the funny part. It also copied the Chrome from the Intel. So basically at that point, this M1 MacBook Pro had Intel version of Google Chrome. So here is how you fix it, especially when you use this file transfer utility as I did. First, completely uninstall your Google Chrome from the system. Just remove it completely. Obviously I have Google Chrome, but I'm just showing you what to do. Then go to Safari, type Google Chrome, and then find Google Chrome, download files, and etc. Basically you wanna come to this page where you can install Google Chrome. Then click download Google Chrome. And here is the trick. Just choose the version for Mac with Apple chip. And that's it. Download it, set it up, and you're all done. So that was it. Once I installed the correct version of Google Chrome, the Google Chrome is running smoothly right now, very fast, it's quick, responsive, and that's what I wanted. Please tell me in the comments down below if you had similar issues, and especially tell me if this helped. I'd be glad to hear it. Stay motivated, make another video today, and I see you in the next video. And by the way, a few more M1 MacBook Pro videos are coming. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye guys.